Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing the Caesar's Kitchen Cacio e Pepe, and we've got everything that we need assembled here. You're going to need your pasta, which is right out here. It comes in this big bag like this, and they are arranged in little nests. Then you're also going to need a spoon or some tongs or whatever you would like to use to stir it up with. You're going to need some tablespoons of water. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of water, so I've got that measured out right here. And then you're going to need a saucepan. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open this up, and you're going to take out your desired amount of nests. I'm just going to make 2 nests right now, but your amount of water corresponds to how many nests you're making. For me, I'm doing 2 nests and I need 2 tablespoons of water. So you're gonna put both of those down sauce side first. So sauce side down in your pan for both nests, and then you're gonna put in your amount of water, and then we're gonna heat that on low heat. We're gonna cover our pan and cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna stir it. All right guys, so it has actually been about 10 minutes and our nests are still frozen solid in the center, so there's not really any stirring that can go on here. So just wanted to let you know where we're at. You're definitely gonna have to cook this longer than they recommend. And what I'm going to continue to do is just as it thaws out little by little, I'm gonna loosen up the little spaghetti noodles and just keep kind of moving it around like this. And when it's done, we'll come back and I'll tell you exactly how long this took, but basically they say to cook this just 8 to 10 minutes and stir occasionally. So I'll check back with you in about 20 minutes or so. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right guys, it has been a total cooking time of about 20 minutes. I did end up having to increase my heat to low medium from low, and I just continued stirring until it finally was defrosted and cooked through. So this is what we've got. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to give you a full review and let you know if we'd purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time. Bye! Alright guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.